Hi everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to navigate through skies as a student. Upon logging in, this is what your landing page would look like. So this is what we call the courses page. You will see three different tabs at the top: teacher, student, and public. But for students, the student tab is selected. And then in this part, you will see the list of the courses that you are currently enrolled in. If you have multiple courses, this is how it would look like. If you have a single course, well, of course, you will only have one course here. So to access the course or the class, just simply click My Class. Also take note, if the course that you are currently enrolled in have different periods, click the period that you are enrolled in. Now, on the next page, you will see two parts of the screen. The left side will show you the list of the lessons that are inside the course, and on the right side, later on, is where you will see the cards for each lesson. To access a lesson, just simply click the lesson title, like so. Then you will see the cards that are in lesson number 1, Learning Skies. Also notice that we have numbers here that are in orange: 4, 4, and then 39. So these numbers indicate the total number of cards that you are yet to respond to. Also, some of the lessons act as a folder. For example, lesson number 2, if you click it, you will not see any cards at all on this part of the screen. Instead, you will see lessons underneath it. So these are what we call the sub-lessons. So if you click that, you will see the cards in each sub-lesson. Now notice that we also have these three horizontal lines next to the My Class button. So this is what we call the sandwich button or hamburger button. So if you click this, this will hide the left side panel where the list of the lesson titles are in. And if you click it again, the left side panel appears. And since we have mentioned the My Class button, this button actually is a shortcut to the courses that you are currently enrolled in. So if you click it, you will see a drop down with a list of the courses that you are enrolled in, instead of going back to the courses page like that. So let's say, for example, your teacher asks you to go back to lesson number 1, which is Learning Skies, and then you do not see that lesson in here on the left side panel at all. So to go back to the main lessons, you just simply click the main lesson title, which is lesson number 2, Try a Lesson. Then you will see Learning Skies here. You can also click the course title, like so. Then you'll have this view. So now that you know how to go back and forth the different lessons inside the course, I'm going to show you how you can move inside the lesson. So let's go to this phonics lesson. This contains multiple cards. I'm going to show you how to move through the cards in this lesson. So first, you can hide the menu or the left side panel by clicking the hamburger button. So if you are using a laptop, you can use your trackpad using your 2 fingers to move from left to right. If you're using a mouse, you can click on this blank screen or any part of the screen here and then drag it to the right or left. You can also use this scroll bar at the bottom of the screen to move, and you have the scroll bar on the right side to move it up and down. If you want to make your screen bigger, you can also use these magnifying glasses. So we have smaller and then bigger. But if you want to make individual cards bigger, you can go present mode or presentation mode by double clicking the card, like so. So now you have one single card in your screen, and then if you hover your mouse at the top, you will see arrows, which you can use to move from one card to the other. You have your lesson code right here. You have an indication of which card you are in that lesson. And then you have this bigger button that when you click will apparently make the cards bigger. And then you can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move from one card to the other. If you want to go back to the main view of the lesson, just simply click cancel, like so. And to log out of Skies, just simply click your username on the top right corner and then click log out. And that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.